Alright, we think this has got to do a clutch noise here. I'll go push the clutch so you can see it. Yeah, maybe that'll answer some of your questions.